the dawn of a promise, a nation was born under stars, and the fire of freedom. 13 voices rising on the shore, they stood for something greater than before. A dream of liberty written in their hands, a future built across this land. From fields of hope to oceans wide, through every storm they held their pride. A vision strong, a fearless flame, one nation rising in its name. And through the years, through every fight, a light kept shining through the night. USA, land of the free, land of the brave, where the dream is alive in every name. Under stars and stripes we stand as one, 1,000 stories, but one sun. USA, hear the voices rise again from every heart across this land. With freedom written in our soul, we stand, we rise, we hold. From California's golden skies to New York lights that never die, Texas strength, the open plains, Florida sun and endless waves. From mountain peaks to desert roads, through every path that freedom chose, each state a story, bold and true. Together stronger, red, white and blue. Through every dream, through every name, we carry on the living flame. USA, land of the free, land of the brave, where the dream is alive in every name. Under stars and stripes we stand as one, 1,000 stories, but one sun. USA, hear the voices rise again from every heart across this land. With freedom written in our soul, we stand, we rise, we hold. 50 stars across the sky, 13 stripes that never die. Every color tells the truth of sacrifice and fearless youth. From the past into today, we carry on what they gave. A living promise, strong and true. The red, the white, the blue. Break through every trial, through every wave, we rise as one, we stand up. belong. Under the stars, under the flag, we stand.